Welcome to Brand Investigation. I wanted to buy the best DTH services in India, but there were so many brands and models listed that I couldn't decide, but it had countless options too now. Don't worry. We have done the research for you. Trusted platforms like Amazon customer reviews, Flipkart customer reviews, Trustpilot user ratings, Quora users question with answers, and Walmart ratings and reviews for you. We're comparing the best DTH services, Airtel Digital TV, Tata Play, Dish TV and D2H, to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Starting with the number of users, Tata Play leads with 19.17 million users, followed by Airtel Digital TV, 17.59 million, while Dish TV and D2H share a combined 11.71 million, indicating their market presence. Now, let's compare the number of channels. Dish TV and D2H offer 650 plus channels, while Tata Play has 600 plus and Airtel provides 550 plus, all with a solid range of HD options. Tata Play tops in HD channels with 100 plus. Next is the monthly cost. All providers start around 153 rupees, but Dish TV goes up to 700 rupees plus, slightly costlier than Airtel, Tata Play, and D2H, which cap around 600 rupees minus 650 rupees. Looking at multi-TV support, all services support multiple TVs, which is great for families with multiple screens. Now, let's look at the set-top box type. Airtel and Tata Play offer Android 4K smart boxes. Dish TV offers an Android-based smart box, but D2H only provides a non-smart HD digital box, which may feel limiting. Moving forward to channel pack availability, both Airtel and Tata Play offer excellent, customizable packs, while Dish TV and D2H are rated as very good, still providing decent flexibility. For Smart TV compatibility, Airtel, Tata Play, and Dish TV work smoothly with Android TV OS. However, D2H only supports HDMI output, which limits smart features. Checking mobile app support, Airtel, Tata Play, and Dish TV offer rich apps like Airtel Xstream, Tata Binge, and Watcho, whereas D2H's app is limited in features. Let's explore parental control. All brands support this essential feature, helping manage content for children. Now, for signal quality, Airtel, Tata Play, and Dish TV maintain good signal quality, while D2H is rated as average, possibly affecting reception. In terms of Bluetooth, Wi-Fi remote, Airtel, Tata Play, and Dish TV offer voice remotes, improving ease of use. D2H lacks this feature, sticking to a traditional remote. Next, let's talk about subscription pausing. Tata Play leads with up to 15 days pause, followed by Airtel, 7 days. Dish TV and D2H don't support this feature. Regarding connectivity, all services except D2H support Wi-Fi, HDMI, and AV out. D2H lacks Wi-Fi, which limits advanced streaming capabilities. Looking at performance in bad weather, Airtel performs the best, while Tata Play, Dish TV, and D2H are rated as average. This can impact viewing during heavy rains. Now, on to regional channel support, which is strong across the board, but Tata Play leads with very strong availability across India. In customer service, Tata Play stands out as excellent, followed by Dish TV and D2H as moderate, and Airtel is rated average, which can affect user satisfaction. Considering picture quality, Airtel and Tata Play deliver excellent clarity, while Dish TV provides good, and D2H is slightly behind with average picture quality. For audio quality, Airtel again takes the lead with excellent audio. Tata Play and Dish TV are good, and D2H is average, especially noticeable with home theater setups. Now, looking at the overall feedback, Airtel is praised for being easy to use with clear picture and sound, Tata Play for smooth performance and content variety, Dish TV for being family friendly, and D2H for being budget friendly but lacks smart features. Let's consider the downsides. Airtel apps sometimes hang, Tata Play is costlier with premium packs, Dish TV boxes may slow down, and D2H lacks Wi-Fi and smart functions. Finally, the integrated customer ratings. Tata Play leads with 4.5 star, Airtel follows at 4.4 star, Dish TV scores 4.2 star, and D2H is lowest at 4.0 star.
Prices change daily. To check exact model and latest price in the description. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our Brand Investigation YouTube channel. The data comes from official sources, trusted purchases, and real customer reviews and ratings. If you buy the product online using our link, please check the product details on the seller's website before purchasing. Make sure to verify what accessories or items are included in the delivery box. After receiving the product, check everything carefully. We stand by our promise not to review cheap or poorly rated items. Avoid the cheap and short-lived. Choose us for quality and value. Your subscription is not just a click. It's a vote of confidence that will help us to create videos for you. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our Brand Investigation YouTube channel.